Hello everyone! Tour the balcony stateroom from our 2023 cruise on the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas. Our cabin was a Category 1D located midship on Deck 10. Later in the video we'll show you what the room service menus look like, plus give a little review of the stateroom, including what we thought were the pros and cons of the cabin. Come on inside and check it out.
Insert card.
Quick way, probably like this.
This Royal Caribbean.
Okay. Oh, they still have their old-style iPod connectors. They can use a mask.
For all of our amazing achievements here on board. We have entertainment with
Nothing in the minibar.
incredible headliner performances. Not only that.
Put it in and out daily or whatever, whenever.
Oh, this joint.
Oh my
Whoa,
goodness.
my goodness.
Shedding parts.
The,
The
some
drawer.
part just fell out when I tried to
Drawers
open the
just
drawer.
shedding parts.
Oh, you're chilling.
You get the steps.
A little bit. Stretch out your legs. And that was the tour of our Royal Caribbean balcony cabin. Overall, we quite enjoyed the stateroom, especially its convenient midship location and views from the veranda. We also liked how it was quiet, offered plenty of storage space, and had nice strong water pressure in the shower. A few things we didn't like included the lack of hair conditioner and a very shallow sink which caused water to spill out at times. Also, the ancient iPod or iPhone 4 charger needs to go. And it'd be nice if the drawers and closets were not as loud. We were also not fans of the sliding doors for the closet.
When you open here, and then you can't reach in here. So when you open here, you can't reach much.
These issues are minor though, and some of them will likely be addressed during Allure of the Sea's next dry dock in 2024 or 2025. Coming up are the room service menus and the schedule of entertainment from our 7-night Western Caribbean cruise. So what do you think of this cabin? What did you like or dislike? We enjoy reading your comments and would appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos from our 2023 cruise on the Allure of the Seas. Thank you very much, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in another video.